Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to the second part of our October 2021 Current Affairs MCQ session, जिसमें हम लोग 16th to 31st अक्टूबर तक के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs जो हैं वो डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. एंड हमेशा की तरह मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि प्लीज़ वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और जो लास्ट में असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चंस है आप उनको भी प्लीज़ अटेम्प्ट करिएगा. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो विजिट novation.in where you can find all the PDF lectures which I'm posting on YouTube. And also if the content is helping you, please go ahead and support Novation by going to the donate button. Alright, so with that, let's start our session. The first question for today: what is the rank of India among 116 countries in Global Hunger Index GHI of 2021? So friends, in this ranking, the higher the rank of the country, the worse is the situation in terms of hunger. Alright, here the correct answer is A, 101st. So India is ranked at 101 out of 116 countries. So only 15 countries are behind us. So this is a very pathetic situation according to this index. And earlier in the previous year, India was 94th among 107 countries. And this year only 15 countries fare worse than India. Next, which Indian district has become the first fully vaccinated district in the country? The correct answer here is D, Kinnaur, and Kinnaur is in Himachal Pradesh. So it has attained 100% vaccination coverage with all eligible country citizens above 18 years getting both doses of COVID-19 vaccine. And friends, मैं आशा करता हूँ कि अगर आप एलिजिबल हैं और अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो आप भी वैक्सीन लगवा चुके होंगे और या तो आपका सेकेंड डोज ही बस बचा होगा. ऑलराइट, सो गेट वैक्सीनेटेड एज सून एज पॉसिबल. Next, which metro in the whole world rolled out the world's first fare payment system based on facial recognition technology? So face recognition के through fare का payment हो सकता है मेट्रो में. कहाँ की मेट्रो है ये? It is B, Moscow, that is in Russia. So this metro has rolled out the world's first mass scale facial recognition system which do not require any cash. No card is required, no phone is required. It is called face pay, and only through scan of your face you can pay the fare in 240 stations across the Russian capital. So this is something which you should actually read about. Alright. Next, the joint military training exercise Yudh Abhyas 2021 was recently conducted between the Army of India and, friends, here the correct answer is B, USA. So India and USA army personnel के बीच में ये exercise हुई थी. And this year, the 17th edition, it took place in Alaska in the United States in the previous month. And basically the aim is to have ongoing defense cooperation with United States. Next, recently the 8th edition of joint military exercise Mitra Shakti. So another important exercise, guys. It was held between India and which other country? So here the correct answer is A, Sri Lanka. India and Sri Lanka के बीच में ये recently 8th edition Mitra Shakti exercise हुई है. And so this exercise is based on counter insurgency. So insurgency को counter करने के लिए, terrorism को counter करने के लिए semi urban terrain में ये exercise की जाती है. And it forms major part of India and Sri Lanka's growing defense partnership. Next, recently India's first ever alcohol museum has been opened in. Friends, this alcohol museum is opened in B, Goa. It is the first ever such museum in India, and it is named as All About Alcohol, and it is set up by local businessman called Nandan Kodchadkar in the Candolim village of North Goa. It houses hundreds of artifacts linked to Feni. So Feni is a type of alcohol which is produced in Goa, including large traditional glass vats in which the local cashew-based alcohol was stored very long ago, like centuries ago. Alright. Next, which team won the IPL title 2021 in Dubai recently? So this is a no-brainer. I'm pretty sure आप सबको ये आंसर पता है. नहीं भी पता है तो here the correct answer is A, चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स. अब चेन्नई ने किसको हराया? चेन्नई ने कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स को हराया by 27 runs in the finals to win their 4th IPL title. तो आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि चेन्नई सुपर किंग जीता है और अभी तक का उनका 4th टाइटल है ये. ऑलराइट, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which Asian country has been re-elected to the UN Human Rights Council for a record 6th term with an overwhelming majority? So friends, continuously 6th term मिला है किस देश को? वो है भारत. And it got 184 votes in the 193 assembly which required the majority of 97. So 97 हमें ज़रूरत थी, but हमें कितने वोट मिले दोस्तों? 184, right? So this shows like our diplomacy is going good. Next, according to the GFX Index, that is Global Food Security Index, India is at the dash on the 2021 released index among 113 nations. Friends, here the correct answer is C, 71. Now this is very similar to the hunger index that we read, and it uses some different factors other than what global hunger index was using. And in this index, Ireland, Australia, UK, Finland, Switzerland and Netherlands, Canada, Japan, France and the US shared the top rank. So इन सब countries को top ranking मिली है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which country recently became the world's biggest cryptocurrency miner? So here the correct answer is B, USA. USA ने चाइना को पीछे छोड़ दिया दोस्तों और खुद अब दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा क्रिप्टो करेंसी माइनर देश बन चुका है. And as per this report, America accounted for 35.4% of global hash rate, a measure of computing power used to extract the digital currency. और ये फ्रेंड्स ऐसा इसलिए हुआ कि चाइना ने रिसेंटली, आपको पता होगा कि क्रिप्टो करेंसी पर एक बैन लगा दिया है, बिटकॉइन पर बैन लगा दिया है. सो दैट्स वाई चाइना में अब जो माइनिंग हो रही थी वो कम हो चुकी है या ऑलमोस्ट नेग्लिजिबल हो चुकी है. इसलिए यूएस सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ी क्रिप्टो करेंसी माइनिंग कंट्री बन गया है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Name the film which has been announced as India's official entry to the Oscars 2022. Friends, here the correct answer is D, Kuzhangal, and it is a Tamil film, and the name of the director is Mr. P.S. Vinodhraj, and it has been selected as India's official entry to the Oscars. If selected, this film will compete for Academy Award for Best International Feature Film in the coming year. I hope this is clear. Next. Name the first country in Europe to legalize growing and consuming cannabis. So cannabis, as we basically know, it is marijuana or weed. So यहाँ पर यूरोप की जो सिटी है लग्जमबर्ग, उसने इसको लीगलाइज किया है growing and consuming. So let's see the PTN. And adults in Luxembourg will be permitted to grow up to 4 cannabis plants in their homes or gardens under the law, and that will make it the first country in Europe to legalize production and consumption of the drug cannabis. Alright, so one more argument which Luxembourg gave for this decision was that through this decision, people will not go into illegal market, right? Illegal market can be curbed, right? Next. The first ever Warner Bros. Hotel in the world is all set to open in which of these cities? Friends, here the correct answer is B, Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi में first ever Warner Bros. Theme hotel open हो रहा है. And this hotel is built on popular Yas Island, which is one of the biggest tourist destinations in Abu Dhabi. और यहाँ पर guest के लिए they will be able to see different digital screen playing different scenes from Warner Bros. Archives, because Warner Bros. Is a very famous studios in US. Next. Which Indian airport became the first in India to start hydropower project? Friends, here the correct answer is D, Cochin International Airport. Friends, एक और important चीज़ है Cochin International Airport के बारे में, वो है it is the first to run fully on solar power, and it also launched the hydropower project. So this plant is estimated to generate 14 million units of power each year, and it was inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Kerala, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. Next. Who has been recently appointed as the Governor of Reserve Bank of India for another period of 3 years? So friends, यहाँ पर basically re-election हो गया है किनका? A, Mr. Shaktikanta Das का. So the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet has approved the reappointment of Shaktikanta Das as the Governor of RBI for a period of 3 years or until further notice, whichever is earlier. So government चाहे तो पहले भी terminate कर सकती है, but generally उनका जो अभी term होगा वो होगा 3 years का. आगे बढ़ते हैं. As per the Edelgave Hurun Indian Philanthropy list of 2021, who retained the top spot as India's most generous billionaire, जिन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा philanthropy करी है या पैसा दान में दिया है? So here the correct answer is B, Azim Premji, and he is the founder of Wipro. So according to this list, Mr. Azim Premji has donated 9,700 crores or rupees 27 crores every day this year. So that makes him the top giver in the country. And like from previous year, his donation has actually increased because of the pandemic. I hope this is clear. Very important question, very important business awareness question. और मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप जो भी important business awareness questions या business awareness series जो इस ईयर की चल रही है उसको भी आप प्लीज़ वॉच करिएगा. नेक्स्ट, सो नाउ फ्रेंड्स वी आर ऑन द असाइनमेंट पार्ट. आप मुझे इन दोनों क्वेश्चंस का आंसर ज़रूर बताइए. फर्स्ट इज द फॉर्मर US प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप विल लॉन्च हिज ओन सोशल मीडिया ऐप कॉल्ड. सो आप उस सोशल मीडिया ऐप का नाम मुझे ज़रूर बताइए. नेक्स्ट, which city has won the award for city with the most sustainable transport system? इसका आंसर भी आप मुझे कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा. Alright friends, so now we have come to an end to this session. I hope the session was helpful and आपने इससे कुछ सीखा होगा. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ आप इसे लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ and subscribe to Novation for more such important videos on current affairs, business awareness, verbal ability, etc. And as always, I'll again request you that please go ahead to do novation.in, and if the lectures are helping you, please go ahead and support Novation because Novation needs your help. Alright, so with that I'll stop and I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye and please take care.